What's up guys, I hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to learn that how we can install the latest version of Anaconda Python on Windows. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open your browser and go to Google and then type here Anaconda. Then click on the first link, which is www.anaconda.com, which is the official link. So just click on that link and it will redirect you to their home page, and this is their home page, and you can see the big green button with the download on it, and you can directly download it for Windows, and you can also get some additional installers. So for Windows, Mac and Linux, so if you click on Windows, so there are two options for 64-bit Windows and for 32-bit, and as well as you have options for Mac OS and for Linux. So it depends on you whether you're using Windows, Mac or Linux. So download 64-bit. I'm using 64-bit, that's why I'm clicking on it, and now let's download. It will take few seconds to download depending upon the speed of your internet connection. So you have to wait for few seconds or few minutes, so be patient. So it has been downloaded successfully. Now click on open and you can click on the executable file. So click on the executable file and let it open. And it has opened the window. So now just click on next and then agree to all the term and condition, and now just keep as it is and click on next. Now you have to remember this path, we can use it for the later use, and now click on next, and there are some advanced options. So if you're clicking on add Anaconda 3 in my path, which is not recommended by this system as well. So like it is not recommended to instead open Anaconda with Windows start menu. So we are deselecting it and now click on next, and now it is being installed on your window. So be patient. It will take a little bit time depending upon the speed of your PC as well. So because it is a heavy software, so it can take some time. So be patient. Now it has been installed successfully. So click on, so now deselect both these options and click on finish. Now go to the start menu and type here Anaconda and click on Anaconda prompt. And now to check the Python version and check whether it's working or not, so type here Python version. So you can see that Python 3.9.12 is installed on my PC. So now let's close this and again go to the start menu, and now this time open the Anaconda navigator. So it will launch the home page of Anaconda, and it will take few seconds to initialize the whole window of Anaconda. So let's wait for it. Loading application, and this is the home page of Anaconda navigator. So you can see here the different options like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook and PowerShell, etc. So if we scroll down, so we have other options as well like Spyder and other options. So now we are going to launch the Jupyter Notebook. So click on launch, and you have to choose any browser. So for right now I'm choosing the Google Chrome because it is an online software. So click on OK and opening the Jupyter Notebook, and this is the home page of this Jupyter Notebook. So click on new and then click on Python 3 kernel. So this is the IDE where, or this is something like IDE where you can code. So these are called cells. So I'm printing here print smart programmer. Okay, you can easily press shift and enter from keyboard, or just click on, or you can click on run. So right now I'm clicking on run and it's called smart programmer. Now I'm doing another program. A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 5 and C is equals to A plus B, and now print C. So let's check whether it's working or not properly. So click on run, and the answer is 6. So it is working properly. So this is how you can install the Anaconda and launch the Jupyter Notebook and program on it.